Hello, Howdo's is here. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem with your SoundCloud. Any problems. If you discover some issues with your SoundCloud, first you want to do is go to the App Store, go to the SoundCloud, as you can see, just search bar SoundCloud. Go to the SoundCloud, and if you have here when I have open button, when you have update, maybe just you need to update the app. But if you have open and still have issue, maybe you need to go to the settings, go to the apps here, go to the SoundCloud, yeah, and here like haptics feedbacks, enable troubleshooting menu, language, mobile data. Maybe you don't have on your Wi-Fi and you just can't listen when you don't have Wi-Fi, like you got the mobile data enable, but here is off and you just don't have, you can't play the music from your device. So you just need to enable. Maybe you got bad language, or background app refresh is off. This is all I can help. If video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.